Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Sabah. Today I am going to explain you worksheet number 3 or subject English of class 10. This worksheet based on unit number 3. Unit number 3 is Try Again, a poem written by W. E. Hickson. First of all, I want to tell you something or the main idea of this poem. The message of the poem is universal. The poet says that when the word says give up, hope whispers try it once more. The road to success is dotted with many tempting parking places. So don't be afraid of your failures. So you should keep up trying again and again to cross this road. And this is the message, and this is a kind of concept given by the poet in this poem, that you have to try again and again till you achieve or you will win the goal. Now look at question number 1. Question number 1 is circle the correct option. You have to read the poem and you have to read the statement carefully, and the options are given with the statement. With these MCQs, you have to mark the correct option or circle the correct option according to the demand of the statement. Now look at question number 2. Question number 2 is answer the following question. After reading this poem, you have to answer the question, what can we learn from failure? That what can we learn? What type of a thing we can learn from our failure? And question number 2 is, how is failure not a disgrace? You have to answer this, that why failure is not a disgrace, is not a kind of any disappointment, any disgrace, any insult. Now look at question number 3. What is the most, why is the poet repeating the sentence try again? Why is highlighting the word try again and again, try again, try again? Why is repeating this sentence? You have to write the importance of this sentence. Now look at question number 4. How many times should we try and why? You have to write the things. If you are not getting success, you are not reaching at the goal, and how many times we should have to try and why. Question number 5 is, what should we do if we find our task hard? You have to write the thing, that what should we do if you think that your task is hard, that what you have to do. Now look at question number 3. Question number 3 is, use the following phrasal verbs in your sentences. You have to use these words in your sentences. Uh, Now look at question number 4. Read the following stanza carefully and answer the question given at the end. This stanza is from chapter number 3 or poem Try Again. You have to read the stanza. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. This is a stanza from poem Try Again by W. E. Hickson. And now look at the question. You have to answer this question after reading or understanding this stanza. Who is the poet of this poem? You have to write the name of the poet. What kind of task demand patience? You have to write that what kind of task demand patience from you. Question number 3 is, what one will accomplish trying for a hard task? What you have to do for the completion of hard task? Hope so this explanation will help you to solve this worksheet easily. Best of luck.